what really happens inside a modern German farm factory. From the outside, it may look like an ordinary agricultural facility. But behind those closed doors, farming becomes a highly organized industrial process. Machines, sensors, workers, storage systems, and strict quality checks work together almost every hour of the day. And the most interesting part is what happens to the products after they leave the field. The journey begins on farms across Germany. Fresh agricultural products are collected and transported directly towards specialized processing facilities. Timing matters. The faster the product reaches the factory, the easier it is to preserve its quality. Large vehicles arrive throughout the day, bringing fresh loads for inspection. Before processing begins, every incoming batch is inspected. Workers and automated systems check size, color, condition, weight, and overall quality. Products that meet the required standards continue into production. Those that don't can be separated for other uses. This first step helps control the quality of everything that follows. The approved products enter the preparation area. Automated washing systems remove soil, dust, and unwanted material. Conveyors keep the products moving at a controlled speed, while machines prepare them for the next stage. Everything is designed to keep the process fast without damaging the agricultural material. This is where the process becomes much more interesting. Large machines begin doing work that would take hundreds of people to perform manually. Sorting, cutting, weighing, processing, and movement can all happen within one connected production system. Sensors constantly monitor the operation. The goal is consistency. German industrial production is known for careful control. Temperature, moisture, processing speed, storage conditions, and product quality can all be monitored. Even a small change can affect the final result. That's why technicians remain close to the machinery throughout production. Despite the automation, people are still essential. Workers monitor machines, solve unexpected problems, inspect products, and make decisions when something doesn't look right. Machines provide speed. Technology provides precision. But human experience provides judgment. After processing, finished agricultural products move into controlled storage areas. Large warehouses keep products organized according to type, batch, and destination. Computerized systems can track inventory and help workers prepare orders. Nothing is simply placed and forgotten. Every batch has a journey. Once an order is ready, products are moved toward the loading area. Vehicles are prepared for distribution to supermarkets, food companies, restaurants, and other customers. What started as an agricultural product on a German farm is now ready for the market. And when you look at the complete journey, the transformation is impressive. Modern German agriculture is no longer only about growing food. It's about connecting farming, engineering, automation, quality control, logistics, and human skill into one carefully managed system. The real story isn't just what happens on the farm. It's what happens after the harvest. And that's what makes Germany's modern farm-to-factory system so fascinating. If you enjoyed discovering what happens behind the machines, subscribe to Factory Insider TV for more incredible factory processes and the hidden technology behind everyday products.